Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by shutting the phone down completely. Hold power until the display goes black. Once done, check the volume keys physically. Safe mode often appears when a volume button is jammed. Remove the case and gently press each button to free any debris, then power on normally. If the phone still goes into safe mode while booting, make sure the charger is connected and the battery has at least 20% so the device won't restart mid-process. This prevents interrupted steps. You now focus on the trigger. Boot normally without holding any buttons. Press power to start the phone and release immediately at the logo. Deliberate holding of volume will force safe mode. Once booted, uninstall any apps you installed right before the issue since third-party apps commonly cause safe mode. After each uninstall, restart to test. If that fails, go to Settings, Apps, find Launcher and System UI, and clear cache. This removes corrupted temp files that can force safe. If those steps don't remove safe mode, back up your data and perform a factory reset. You must because software faults sometimes lock safe mode on. Once backed up, go Settings System Reset, erase all data and follow prompts. If you cannot access settings, boot to recovery mode by powering off, then press power plus volume up until the recovery menu appears. Choose Wipe Data or Wipe Cache first. Troubleshooting tip. If the phone re-enters safe mode after reset, suspect hardware volume button failure and have it checked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.